Drawing easy for kids.
Hello, my friends. We are going to draw Pocoyo today. Let's start drawing. I draw his eyes, his little nose, and his smiling. I draw his face.
Where the flowers can sing, and the trees have a face. The sun always shines, and the grass is so green. It's the most magical garden we've ever seen. In the magical garden,
And then the shape of his head.
every creature is singing in their own special way. The bees buzz a melody, the birds chirp a song.
I draw his arm.
Magical garden, you can sing along.
Then I draw his hand.
Mr. Rabbit hops by.
Let's continue with his body.
Telling stories of places far and wide. The
Then I draw his
stars
legs.
in the air so light, spreading colors around. Oh, what a sight! In the magical garden, where dreams come to play. Every creature is singing in their own special way. The frogs smoking rhythm.
And then we are going to draw Sleepy Bird.
Garden, you have
I draw his eyes, his mouth,
Let's take care of our friends.
then the shape of his head,
World that we share. Show kindness and love.
then his face.
For this magical place is a gift to behold, a story of friendship and wonders untold. In the magical garden, where dreams come to play, every picture is singing in their own special way. Join hands with me.
Let's start coloring Pocoyo. Black color.
The joy it can bring.
His mouth is red color.
Sets down and the stars speak to see. The magical
His outfit is blue color.
whispering a good night to the moon up above. In the magical garden, there's always love.
In the heart of the town, there's a magical place where the flowers can sing and the trees.
Do you like to wear also blue outfit?
The sun always shines and the grass is so green. It's the most magical garden you've ever seen. In the magical garden where dreams come to play, every creature is singing in their own special way. The bees buzz a
Almost
melody,
done with blue color.
the birds chirp a song.
Good job.
Magical garden, you can sing along.
His skin is cream color.
Mr. Rabbit hops by with a smile so wide, telling stories of places far and wide. In the magical garden where dreams come to play, every creature is singing in their own special way. The frogs croak in rhythm, the crickets chime in the magical garden. Let your adventure begin.
How cute is Pocoyo? Dark blue color. Yellow color.
Our friends and the world that we share.
I'm going to color Sleepy Bird. Yellow.
Show them that we care. For this magical place
Jade blue color.
is a gift to behold, a story of friendship and one thing in me. In the magical garden where dreams come to play, every creature is singing in their own special way. Join hands with nature, in harmony sing. in the magical garden.
Red color.
Feel the joy it can bring as the sun sets down.
Green color.
Stars peek to see the magical
Yellow color.
full of glee.
Pink color.
Whispering the good
Good job, my friends.
to the moon up above. In the magical
Thank you for
garden,
watching. See you in the next
there's
video, my friends.
always love.